Here is how to make money with UHRS jobs and vendors. In this video, I'll be taking you through the UHRS review and how you can start making money working from home in Nigeria and worldwide. Have you searched on Google, Bing or Yahoo before? If you have searched on anywhere before, then this is a job for you. This job is all about data labeling. That is, you'll be able to do annotation of images, videos, text and many other simple data manipulations. UHRS is also known as Universal Human Relevance System. This is a company that is owned by Microsoft and it is all about training of artificial intelligence projects. So they need a lot of people for these jobs, and I'll be taking you through a step-by-step of how you can get started with any of your choice of the UHRS vendors. Please, it is important you watch this video to the end. UHRS is an entity on its own. They will not employ you directly. This company will only accept you through other vendors, and I've done the job for you with 5 vendors that will accept and pay Nigerians and anybody worldwide. What do I mean by that? You'll be able to do your job on UHRS platform and get paid directly to your bank account in your country, and that includes Nigeria. Therefore, I'll be taking you through how to get started with UHRS jobs, how to select the best vendor for you, and most especially and critical, rules and regulations of the platform that you must observe for your account not to be blocked. I will also be showing you how the platform works. Working on this platform, UHRS, you have to do the work every day to make the money. But the work I do, which is affiliate marketing, you just do the work once and you continue to make the money for a long time. I will show you how I get trained and how you can get started. But to the topic under discussion first, how to make money with UHRS jobs and selection of the best vendor for you. Let's do it. How do you get started with UHRS? The first thing you need to do is to identify which of the vendor you like to work with. As I said earlier, you cannot work directly with UHRS as a company. You must join and sign up with a vendor. It is the vendor of your choice that will link you to UHRS. So, what are the recommended vendors that accept and pay Nigerians and people worldwide? There are many choice of vendors. The problem is most of them will not accept Nigerians. Those that accept Nigerians do not have the payment method that is acceptable to Nigerians and many countries worldwide. The following vendors like Clickworker, Appen, Telos, and Toloka. These companies have listed will pay you via Payoneer. Payoneer is a payment gateway that you will need to sign up with to get your money. It is also important for you to sign up with Payoneer before you even get started with any of these vendors. I suggest you sign up with Payoneer using my link below the description of this video. If you do that, Payoneer will give you a gift of $25. Ensure you look out for the condition to get the money while you are signing up. I've done videos about these 4 companies I've listed. As soon as you sign up with them, they will link you to UHRS and you can start working, taking tasks and getting jobs. Ensure you watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you the rules and regulations that you need to observe to prevent your account from being blocked by UHRS. Thank you. You can see this is the inside of UHRS, Universal Human Relevance System. UHRS is a crowdsourcing platform that supports data labeling for various artificial intelligence application projects. So all you need to do is to sign up here. But before you get here, you have to decide on your choice of vendors that will help you to work here because you cannot work directly with this company. You have to work with the vendors as I've explained before you get here. So these are the kind of jobs you'll be doing: image annotation, search relevant video annotations, speech transcription, text annotation, simple tasks like data collection task, and information, moderations and surveys. They are very simple tasks. All you need to do to start is to sign in here. To sign in, you need to have an Outlook email address. It has to be maybe your name at outlook.com. You can use Hotmail, but you can open another Outlook email address to sign up with this platform because it is Microsoft project. So you need to use your Outlook email address to have access to UHRS platform. As soon as you sign up, this is how the platform and your profile look like. This is all the available work for me now that I need to do. I will show you. This is the new jobs that is assigned that I've not seen before. This is recently worked on job that I've done. These are the jobs I've bookmarked. That is the kind of work that I like to be doing. You can bookmark them and different other tasks. Look at it. I've not been blocked in any of the jobs and there is no job that is hidden from me. So you'll be able to see how much you earn by clicking your report. I've worked on this platform a long time ago. I think I should still have money on this platform. Let me show you. The last time I worked here was 2018 or 2019. Can't remember. So you can make a lot of money working on this platform. It is legit. Let me show you the kind of work you'll be asked to do. You click marketplace. This is the inside of your marketplace. It can be massive. These are all the jobs that is available now. You can decide to choose the kind of job you want to do. Is it image, annotation, video, speech, transcription, text? You can select. You can filter the kind of job. For example, it's always good for you to sort according to the price tag attached to each of the job. So you can see this job. For every click you do here, you earn this out. So, but you have to do the training first. And to do the training, you just click here. You must complete 10 hits before the training is completed. Just to show for you to know how the training will look like. Look at it is so simple. You just go through the training, you will learn what to do. By the time you learn what to do, you just be reading and clicking all this and you'll be able to earn that money. Your objective is to sort with the high paying task and go for the high pay task first. Jobs here are calling it. A lot of people are seeing it at the same time. So as soon as you see it, you rush at it. You make sure you do it fast because as you are doing them, people are doing them too. And this is the number of jobs. Look at this one is 0.05. It's 17,000 clicks that you have to do. This one is only 5 that remain. So you have a lot of them like that. 0, 5, 20 hits. So with this where jobs are now, but you can't compare with this money. So this is where the money is. All you need to do is to do as many of this 0.01 and earn as much as you can. And you ensure you visit your marketplace all the time to refresh for new jobs that is available for you. So this is how UHRS platform look like and how you can start making money on this platform. Ensure you watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you rules and regulations that you must adhere to prevent you from being blocked by this platform. Look at it. You can be blocked on each of these jobs, and if you are blocked, it can be a long time before it's lifted and you'll be able to make money for any of the hit apps that you have been blocked from. So ensure you watch this video to the end, and I will also show you how to get your money directly to your bank account in your country, and that includes Nigeria. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. You'll be able to know when I publish a new video about how to do training and how to take job on UHRS. Thank you. You now know how to get started with UHRS and start making money in dollars directly to your bank account in Nigeria and worldwide. All you need to do is to watch each of those videos I've recommended. They are going to take you a step-by-step of how to sign up. As soon as you sign up to those vendors, you can now navigate yourself to UHRS, and as I've shown you, you'll be able to log in and start working. But what are the major rules and regulations and requirements that you need to know to work successfully with UHRS? The first thing you need to know is that you need an Outlook email address for you to successfully sign up to UHRS. One of the first rules and regulations of UHRS is that you can only work with one vendor. You cannot work with multiple vendors. Ensure you follow this rule. This does not mean that you cannot work and doing other jobs with those vendors, but in working specifically with UHRS, you can only do that with one vendor. You will need to pass UHRS assessment. Most of the assessments are very simple and straightforward. Also, you cannot share the screenshot or divulge any of the information of the task you are doing on UHRS. Is one of the conditions and paperwork you will sign before you get started with the job. This is to prevent your account from being blocked. Ensure you never use any VPN to pretend that you are from another country. If you are discovered, your account will also be blocked. So these are the major rules and regulations of UHRS platform. I earlier promised you to let you know how to earn passive income working from home online. In 2016, I came across the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world, and I took this training and it changed my life. You can watch this video. It will take you through how I joined, how you can join, my testimonies, and many testimonies of other people. With the training I acquired has made me to partner with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and many other big companies online today. I now earn passive income every day. Ensure you sign up for that training. Please use my link. That is the only way I can see you inside the training platform. You can also go to askjofa.com to be able to see how to get started with my email affiliate marketing training, and you'll be able to have a rough overview of what affiliate marketing is all about. It is a free 5 days affiliate marketing email training. Kindly drop your comment, click that notification bell. It will help you to know whenever I publish my new video. There's a video you must just watch, and that is how to make $100 daily as an affiliate marketer. You will see my proof of earnings and how you can get started. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless you. Bye for now.